Hi guys, Shara here. Welcome back to my channel. I am sitting in my patio because I think it's very good idea because it's really warm outside and very sunny. This is the only opportunity. As soon as you see sun, you have to get out and sit and have some sun bathe. Yeah, you have to do that. And yeah, so in this video I want to talk a little bit about this root riot. So this root riot is especially for the like a plant cube for cutting and seed. So you can also use for the soil and hydroponic. Hydroponic is if you use like a Lega or those kind of stuff, they are hydroponic. So you can use this cube for like a both type of it. The benefit of using this root riot cube is to have a grow faster root, to root faster, and made from the organic material and fully biodegradable, so they will just disappear in the soil in a few months. And perfect air and water capacity for the healthy root, and new plant transfer easily into soil or any other medium. All right, so this is the benefit of using this root riot. And do you see the result here? It's come with like a very nice example picture. So I am really looking forward that the propagation gonna good result. All right, and here they always recommend with for best result use the Clonix rooting gel, but it's okay, I don't have it here. It's always come with like an instruction if you want to use for the cutting, how to do, and also for the seed. It's always come with very like a good information, so you can check out before you using. All right, so all the steps showing very easy and simple, so I hope it is gonna be fine. Let's get started with the propagation now. All right, so this is how it is look like inside. They are like very spongy. Do you see here? Very spongy, and they are very already moist. So if you find that they are not moist, you can just use like some water and spray them and make it a little bit moist. Then you will be ready to use. Keep in your mind that if you soak with the water, they should not be like a very soggy, not very like like too wet. Only moist condition would be perfect. All right, so I got one pack of it, and I am gonna use this for the Monstera. I got this small cutting from one of mine, like a big Monstera plant. If you want your Monstera to grow faster and have this kind of like a bigger leaf, then I recommend to get rid of like a small new grow like this from like a button, because this guy take extra energy from the bigger leaf. The two cutting is I got from this plant, and I just make a new baby plant. And do you see here the new growth are coming, and they are gonna be split leaf, and here too, and here new, a lot of new coming here. Spring is coming, so all the plants are waking up, and I'm so happy. So right now let's just go back to the root riot. They are very easy to make a hole because, as I said, they are very moist and spongy. See, you can just easily make a hole, and you can gently insert your, or you, if you, because this plant this has very long root, so if you worry of you might break the root, then you can just actually you can also split like this, and you can just wrap it like this. This is also a good way to protect from the destroying your root. So I'm just gonna do like this, just tear it up and put it like this for both plant. Okay, now I am gonna grow them. I just leave the root outside like that too. And this is, I got the soil here. Maybe I will just get rid of it here a little bit too much. And I'm gonna replace here, nice and gentle. One. Okay, and another one here. Maybe this size. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna cover with the soil. This soil is also very moist. It's very good condition. And let's see how faster they're gonna grow, you know. I'm so curious. Actually, this Root Riot is very popular around the planters because this help your nursery plant grow faster, so that many people use it. Because I've noticed that every time I buy, you know, plant from nursery like stores, and if when I make the repotting or like a dividing, root dividing, whatever, then I always see this Root Riot cube in the pot. Most of the time they use to, you know, for grow faster. Yes, so this is it. And I am not gonna water this guy now because the Root Riot cube is moist, and the soil that now I'm using is also moist enough, so that I will just wait. Maybe I will water them tomorrow. Actually, the most of this like nursery plant doesn't like that much water anyway. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will update you this tiny plant in a few more weeks and see how faster they're growing. Is it, you know, worth money or not? Let's see. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.